Hare Krishna, dear devotee. Today is Sri Bhaktisar Pandit's appearance day. Sri Bhaktisar Pandit was present with Sriman Mahaprabhu during his first time in Navadvip. And after his acceptance of sannyas, he also accompanied him to Jagannath Puri. During the time of the Lord's residence in Puri, he continued to live with him there as well. Sri Bhaktisar Pandit took birth in a village of Guptipara near Triveni. He was an especially proficient dancer and kirtaniya and could dance continuously for 72 hours. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu began his first time of congregational chanting of holy name of Sri Hari in Navadvip, Sri Bhaktisar Pandit was an important singer and dancer in that assembly. It was by his mercy that Devananda Pandit was delivered from the wrath of Mahaprabhu. He also present during the Lord's journey to Ramkeli. Devananda Pandit was at one time known as the foremost lecturer on Srimad Bhagavatam. One day, Srivas Pandit went to hear his discourse, and being moved in ecstatic love by hearing the Bhagavatam, he began to cry. A few of the ignorant students of Devananda Pandit, thinking that this was creating a disturbance, removed Srivas Pandit from the assembly and left him outside. Though this was done in front of Devanand, but he did not restrain his student from this act of disregard to the devotee Bhagavat. There are two types of Bhagavat, the book Bhagavat and the devotee Bhagavat. For this reason, Devananda Pandit became implicated in an offense to a great devotee, means Mahabhagavat, like Srivas Pandit. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to hear how his dear devotee Srivas Pandit had been disrespected, he gave many instructions concerning the Bhagavat. He told that those who read the book Bhagavat but don't offer respects to the devotee Bhagavat are simply offenders. Though they may read the Bhagavat for eons, still they will never attain love of God. The devotee Bhagavata and the book Bhagavata are non-different. In order to understand the book Bhagavata, one must first sincerely serve the devotee Bhagavata. Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu neglected Devananda and did not bestow his mercy on him. One evening, Bhaktisar Pandit came to perform dancing and chanting of the holy name at the house of one devotee from Kulia, across the bank of the Ganges from Nadia. Receiving this auspicious news, Devananda proceeded there, and upon seeing the appearance of the symptoms of divine love in the person of Sri Bhaktisar Pandit, he became charmed. Gradually, a great crowd gathered at the place, and Devananda Pandit, taking a cane in his hand, kept the crowd in order so as not to obstruct the ecstatic dancing of Sri Bhaktisar Pandit. In this way, Bhaktisar Pandit performed chanting and dancing for 2 praharas, that's been 6 hours continuously. On into the night, when he finished dancing and sat down, Devananda came and offered dandavats at the lotus feet of Sri Bhaktisar Pandit, who became pleased with his service and blessed Devananda with the words, Krishna Bhakti Ho, may you attain devotion to Sri Lord Krishna. From that day, devotion was awakened in the heart of Devananda by the mercy of Bhaktisar Pandit. Thereafter, when Mahaprabhu came to Nadia to have darshan of his mother Sachi and mother Ganges, he bestowed his mercy on Devananda at Kulia. because you have served Bakresar. I have noticed you. Bakresar is fully imbued with the Lord's transcendental energy, and whoever becomes devotee to him attains to the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. His heart is personal abode of Sri Krishna, and as Sri Krishna dances, so Bakresar also dances. Wherever one can get the association of Bakresar, that place is the sum total of all holy places and is as good as Sri Vaikuntha. That was said by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to Devananda Pandit. Sri Bakresar Pandit's disciple was Gopal Guru Goswami, and Gopal Guru Goswami's disciple was Sri Dhyan Chandra Goswami. In his Dhyan Chandra Padhati, Dhyan Chandra Goswami has written, that person who was previously very expert in the arts of singing and dancing the Gopi, Tungavidya, is presently renowned in the world as Bakresar Pandit. He has appeared on the 5th day of the dark fortnight of the month of Asada. Asada, that means Baman Mas, from June to July. And he closed his pastimes in this world on the 6th day of the bright fortnight of the moon of the month Asada. While Bakresar danced, Mahaprabhu himself would sing, and Bakresar would catch hold of his lotus feet and saying, "O moon-faced one, give me 10,000 Gandharvas and let them sing while I dance. Then I will be happy." Mahaprabhu answered, "You are one of my wings. If I had another like you, could fly in the sky." In Chaitanya Charitamrita Adilila 10.17, Bakresar Pandit's worshipable deity is Sri Sri Radha Kanta, whom he worshipped in Kasi Mishra's house, which was also the residence of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Gambhira. These deities are still being worshipped there to this day in Gambhira. Hare Krishna. Hope you will enjoy the first time of Bakresar Pandit. I will send more video of Bakresar Pandit's pastime next time. Hare Krishna.